I'm the Practicum of Entrepreneurship program here at the Wild, and I chose it mostly because it's the career cluster I was going to after high school, and the class was set up in a way that was tailored to what I wanted to do after graduation. I think my favorite part is the interconnection between all the programs, how you can do one program and it helps you in another. In entrepreneurship, since we have this makerspace, we can create different items or things that these other programs may need, such as the floral design class. We will make like certain parts for them that we can put on the mums that they were designing using the flowers and the floral design.
I do the floriculture CTE, so it's what I do outside of class more than what I do inside of class. And we get to go and compete, and we've gone to state for 4 years now. I think in floral specifically, we are able to actually make and sell bouquets and arrangements, which is really good not only for my CTE but for my class just to learn. I actually have my floral designer certification, and so I would be able to actually go work in a floral shop outside of high school. Just in these classes, the community I get to be with, I know so much more professionalism and how to talk to people and just communication in general. It's truly an amazing life skill to have.
My dad's a nurse, so I thought I was gonna do maybe more of the super hands-on like surgery or like labor and delivery. We get so much exposure in our pathway that actually after going through this pathway and learning the skills and talking to the teachers, I am more interested in psychology in a medical setting, so like child life specialists or family psychology within the hospitals. But I'm really thankful that I know that now. I have looked at all the different jobs and careers, learned the skills that are still gonna be super helpful when I go to college, but I'm not gonna waste my time and money taking classes that I'll change my mind afterward. So now I know what I wanna do and I can go in there and get right to work accomplishing it.
I'm in scientific research and design with Mr. Gonzalez. So I'm thinking about going into biological systems engineering. So doing this has really given me a chance to like hone in on that and what that really is. Last year I was looking more into architecture, but through seeing some of that stuff, I realized like I want to be more on the science side than the math side. So it was really cool to like then focus on that a little more this year. It is very nice. We get a lot of opportunities to like explore different things because he has a lot of machines that I don't think we had at the old school. Where the plug outlets are, it's a lot smarter, and in relation to everything else, just the lab space is really nice.
I'm in the AV program at the Wild, and I chose AV because it gives me the ability to put creativity and creative aspects into the work that I do. On Friday Night Lights, there are students that are on the field filming things, good shots, and taking photos as well. That's like, you're so close up and getting those clips and being able to watch it afterwards, it's really rewarding. When I get out of high school, I want to become a director in film, so it's really building up all those strengths that I need.
I'm in the education pathway. I chose it because I want to be a coach in the future. So I get to go there and coach the 7th grade football players in all the sports. I'm the first one that's ever done the coaching aspect of it, and having a lot of teachers and educators that were in my corner with it has definitely been super helpful getting that done. I also get to go over to the middle school with our coordinators. They go over and help them. So they also kind of teaching me how to coach. The Wild is unreal. It's like so much better than like even at high school. High school's awesome, but this place is crazy.
One way that the Wild prepares us is we earned a certification in small businesses and management. I know one of the ways that has been able to help me is I was able to put that on my resume when applying to jobs. And you know, that kind of set me apart from other candidates because I have these basic knowledge and skills in the business world that just sets me apart.
I think the way it looks is really cool. Like, I know that's kind of weird, but I really like all the comfy chairs. It's really nice to maybe in a loud classroom ask your teacher to be able to go out into the middle and be able to focus a little bit better.
My favorite part is getting to interact with everybody every day. Everybody's in like different parts, different pathways, so to get to see what they're working on and learn through what they're doing is also cool, even whenever I'm not in that class. Like whenever I'm studying with my friends, I'll help them study and they'll help me, and we kind of like get snippets of each other's classes through that. Cool.
I feel like I have everything that I need to work with, and I don't have to worry about, having the resources that I don't have.
I'm wild about real world experiences.
I'm wild about creativity.
I'm wild about service.
I'm wild about opportunities.
I'm wild about being ready for college.
I'm wild about the Wild.